COIL, or Collaborative Online International Learning, is a unique, exciting and accessible global learning approach that links together faculties and students from different countries on a collaboratively developed and taught online course. Authentica's COIL offering facilitates your faculty to collaborate with another faculty in a host country and co-teach a course for students from both countries. Students will also work on live projects with companies in host countries, helping them gain not only real-world problem-solving skills, but also country-specific knowledge as they work alongside local students. The learning is further enriched through virtual workshops, speaker sessions, and cultural immersions. One example of our COIL offering is the Business, Economy and Social Enterprises in India Coping with Crisis program. The faculty provide insights into factors shaping India's economy and business, laying the foundation for students to embark on their projects with local social enterprises. Students then apply their skills and knowledge to assist social enterprises in India developing strategies to cope with crises, such as COVID. Authentica will provide a faculty in India to co-teach the course, arrange for relevant virtual workshops, speaker sessions, cultural immersions and projects with local social enterprises. If you would like more information or would like to develop a customized COIL program, reach out to us today.